Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make collage in iPhone. So look here, now I make photo collage. So I'm just provide how can easily make it, no need to use third-party apps. So at first make sure to update your iOS 26. I'm just already update my iOS 26. After that go to your app library and open your shortcut apps. Just open it, press on to gallery option, go to search option, search here to okay, and you need to just add this. Press on to plus option. Now it's add, close, go to library again, then add this. Just tap on, then you get add image option. So you just add image. Okay, press on right mark. So look here, now it's add, customize. Okay, or when it's complete, click on, showing it to three different way: save to file, save to photo, or print, like an save to photo. Okay, now complete, and now I'm checking, open my photo gallery. So look here, now successfully create photo collage. So that's it.